we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now, we're thrilled to share this one with you. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.